Today is the unboxing review of Kamen Bill's Deluxe Rocket Panda full bottle set. This is the same full bottle set that Kamen Bill used on episode 7, which we see Bloodstark use a rocket full bottle, which actually a perfect match for his full best match form. Which in the front of the box we have Kamen Bill with his new best match form, Rocket Panda full balls, left side, Rocket full balls, top, full balls, Rocket Panda mode. Here is the first panel where you put the full balls in the build driver, and the second is where you use the Fortec finish. Right side, we put in the build driver, drill crusher, and full bottle holders. Bottom, full bottles, Rocket Panda form. And now it's time to unbox. And here it is, the Rocket Panda full bottle set, which we have his Panda. You can see the white and the logo of a panda bear. The logo, PR, all white. Here's the code and the number 9, which is actually, since this is number 9, and I actually think that it actually meant something before the Hog Gallon set, as so says on the back here. And the Rocket full bottle, which is a light blue because diamond is a Crowin. I hope I say it right. But the block is dark blue, but you get the picture of the different shades of blue. The code 10, as so says on the back, and the symbol of a rocket, like, you know, the inorganic material of a rocket with a organic material of a panda bear. And we'll see how it sounds like with the build driver. And here we go. First up, Panda full bottle. Give it a little shake. Sorry. And Rocket. Shake. And best match. Here we go. Alright, and now let's see, here is Fortec finish. And there you have it, the Rocket Panda full ball set. And I really enjoy it, especially on episode 7 where he used it on Bloodstark, and also on episode 8. So anyway, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment what you think about the unboxing review. You guys can also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Tumblr, and like my Facebook page. Until then, this is Guy right here, signing out. Laters!